Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel name Learning to Learn. So yes, welcome back to a new series. Basically, new series नहीं continue कर रहे हैं. These are the topics we have done so far. So we have done like teaching aptitude. We were doing like a lot of teaching aptitude, like द रिविजन ऑफ टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड. तो टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड में हम लोगों ने काफ़ी कुछ कर लिया है एंड नाउ विल बी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. अब ये सेशन होगा पूरा हिंदी में. यू कैन गेट द सेम सेशन इन इंग्लिश एज वेल, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई एम अ वेरीफाइड एजुकेटर ऑन अनअकैडमी. यू कैन फॉलो मी on Unacademy and you can follow me on various other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. So that will help you. Apart from that, on Unacademy, if you don't know, there is a quick update. KVS Madan sir is coming live on Unacademy. He is just going to teach there for paper 1 and this would be a huge opportunity for all of you people so that you can join these sessions. You can say learn from sir and it would be a very big opportunity for you. So make sure you join these sessions, and there are various plus courses going on, special courses going on and everything. So make sure you join Unacademy. Apart from that, yes, let's start with today's topic. Hey, hello everyone. So I hope all of you have seen the introduction video before this, and you might have come to know that I am a verified educator on Unacademy and I teach for NTA UGC NET category on Unacademy. Apart from that, this particular video is specially for the students who are actually on plus on Unacademy or who are using Unacademy as a platform so that they can increase their, or you can say they are using Unacademy as a platform for their preparations of NTA UGC NET exam or any other basic examinations. There are certain things when a student comes to Unacademy, he or she aspires or he or she assumes. So I'm just giving you certain tips that what to follow and what not to follow that will ultimately help you. This would be, you can say, an ultimate guide that will help you to use Unacademy platform in a better manner. So I'll just move aside, I'll just show certain points in the background so that you can just note it down and reduce the number of hours spent, increase the productivity, and thus by increasing your chances to crack the examination which you are preparing for. Once again, so I have just shifted to a bit of side so that I can write a lot of things here and you can understand those things. The first thing we need to understand is it is a platform and it will have a various number of dedicated educators. It can have from top 1 number educator to other numbers, and personally if you see the ranking of Unacademy, the ranking is based on various categories, various things, and this is, you can say, my own opinion. You might find an educator more comfortable working with or learning with rather than other. It doesn't make the other educator less productive or less efficient. It is just that you find a particular educator more comfortable, that's it. So first what you need to do is you need to just go through almost like 3 to 4 educators and just try to attend one entire session or one entire topic. And if you just want to choose the right educator, this is the strategy I think anybody can apply. Just choose a topic which you don't know. You don't have any idea about the topic or you are very confused about one topic. Go to Unacademy, search that particular topic. You will get various lectures, either recorded, live, or free. You can just watch live because that is more productive. You can ask the doubts immediately, so there is a two-way interaction. It is more live, okay? But if you are running out of time, if you don't have that much time, you can also watch recorded according to your convenience. So first of all, take a topic which is very difficult, choose 2-3 educators of your choice, and then watch that particular topic completed by each educator. And if you are able to understand it in a very easy manner, then you'll realize that the topic was actually very easy and it was made easy by that particular educator. So then you'll be able to understand that which educator is teaching according to your speed, your wavelength, your way, and at which point or at which educator you're actually very comfortable learning. So once you get that, you can follow at least 2 or more than 2 educators depending upon the time you have. I would never suggest to actually follow only one educator religiously, because there is a lot of things you're missing out. This is what I personally believe. A person cannot be perfect in all sense. So you could gain the benefit of specialization from various other educators as well. So try to follow 2 or more than 2 educators according to your convenience. And if you're on Plus, especially on Plus, you will get the entire schedule, like for the next month, for the next 6 months or next 3 months in advance. You can easily find out on educator's profile. Just go there and see the classes, which what is the timing, what is the dates, on which date which class is going to take place, so that you can schedule your classes accordingly. I'm really sorry about the sound. So this will help you to reduce this time wastage, and this will help you to be prepared first hand, so that you're already prepared with the topic. You already know what is going to be taught, you already know what your doubts would be. So it is like a good planning stuff which you can do in advance, so to reduce your time wastage and reduce misunderstandings or confusions in future. So this is one of the things you can do after finding the educators, following the educators. You need to understand the schedule and make your schedule accordingly. Sorry about the sound again. The next thing you can do is follow all the classes. Please do not skip the classes, because as soon as you will start skipping the classes, it will eventually become a habit, and ultimately when your subscription is gone, you will feel guilty or sorry that you wasted so much time. So do not skip classes. And even for certain dates, suppose you were out of the city or you had certain urgent work, you could not attend the live classes, try to catch up with the educator with the repeated sessions or the recorded sessions, so that you are in track with the class, you are not behind. Do practice various question and answers given by educator or with any other sources on the same topic, so that you can understand that whatever you have studied so far, you're understanding that, you're making sense out of it, you're making logic out of it, and you're able to solve question and answers as well. So this is also one of the important things you need to do. Apart from that, you can make your own dedicated notes. If you don't want to make notes, there are ample number of PDFs available from various educators which you can download, you can print out. If you don't want to print, you can save it in your tablet and just read it along. So that way your time could be saved. Apart from this, I could say one thing to you. Unacademy is a great platform. I'm working with Unacademy from 2018, and it gave me an independence to work according to my style. They never asked me to change this or that. I am very comfortable teaching there because it's really live and it's instant. Like, I'm asking a question, a student is replying, it's really instant. But if I go to YouTube live, there is a buffer period of 30 seconds or so. It becomes tedious. So what I'm trying to say is, I'm not here to promote Unacademy. I know in the starting of the video I did promote Unacademy. I do that. But this is a video genuinely for those population who are right now on Unacademy. But this video is for those population who are right now there on Unacademy, and they're finding it a bit difficult to manage time and classes and everything. These are certain tips which would help you in your own preparation and watching the videos and juggling your work and studies together. So thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. Bye bye.